Vehicle? Check out the 2019 Mercedes-Benz GLS. The Mercedes-Benz GLS is a 7-passenger luxury SUV which possesses all the strength, versatility, safety, elegance, cutting-edge technology, sleek sophistication, and amenities that you've come to expect from a Mercedes, and is priced below $45,000. This vehicle has less than 40,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: electronic stability control, power liftgate, brake assist, 4-wheel disc brakes, heated front seats, tachometer, leather-wrapped steering wheel, driver vanity mirror, CD player, front bucket seats. Come see the car for yourself.